One bright morning full of cheer, a little boy said, "Zoo day is here." With tiny shoes and cap so blue, he waved goodbye and off he flew. Through the gate with eyes so wide, wonder sparkling deep inside, maps and laughter all around, so many happy sounds he found. First he saw the monkeys swing, jumping, dancing, what a thing! Ee-oo, loud they cried as baby monkeys clung beside. Next the lions, proud and tall, golden kings who ruled them all. One big roar shook earth and sky. The boy stepped back but didn't cry. Tall giraffes with necks so high, nibbling leaves up in the sky. Slow and gentle, calm and sweet, walking on their quiet feet. Elephants with wrinkled skin sprayed cool water with a grin. Floppy ears and trunks so long, splashing, swaying to a song. Penguins waddled black and white, funny fellows quite a sight. Slide and splash into the pool, swimming fast and looking cool. Colorful birds flew overhead, green and yellow, blue and red. "Hello, hello," one parrot said. The little boy just laughed instead. Stripy zebras, horses neat, stamped the ground with clippy feet. Black and white like painted lines, standing under shady pines. Then he stopped for ice cream sweet, dripping slowly in the heat. Sat beside a shady tree, happy as a boy could be. When the sun began to fall, he had seen both big and small. Sleepy eyes, but smiling wide, with memories tucked deep inside. On the way back home that night, stars were twinkling soft and bright. He whispered with a happy sigh, "Best day ever at the..." Chug, chug went the morning train, through the sunshine, through the rain. A little boy with sparkling eyes watched the smoke climb to the skies. Ticket clutched in tiny hand, off he went to explore the land. Mama waved from platform side. "Have fun, dear," she gently cried. Whistle loud and wheel so fast, houses, trees went rushing past. Fields of green and rivers wide, dancing clouds that seemed to glide. Vendors walk the aisle with cheer, snacks and sweets are over here. He bought a cake and orange juice, swinging feet inside his shoes. Through a tunnel dark as night, suddenly then bursts of light. He laughed aloud with pure delight, heart as happy as a kite. Mountains tall and bridges long, train wheels sang a clinking song. Boats below like toys so small, birds above in freedom's call. He made friends in seat number 4, a smiling kid from town next door. They shared their toys and stories too, as countryside views flew by in blue. Sun began to sink down low, painting sky with golden glow. Sleepy eyes, but mind still wide, dreaming of the rolling ride. At last the train slowed down to rest. A journey dear is always best. He stepped out proud, brave and tall, small in size but big in all. For in his heart would always stay that joyful, wondrous train ride day of chugging wheels and sky.